welcome back again, and in this video lecture I'm going to teach you about nested if statement in C++ programming. Alright, so let's go ahead and kick off immediately. In the previous lecture, we were able to learn about if statement, if else statement, and else if statement. And I believe you guys really put that into practice and check it out. But in case you have challenge, please try to use the question and answer section, and I will always get back to you as soon as possible. But at the moment, let's go ahead and look at nested if statement. So when we talk about nested if statement, we're looking at a condition whereby you input something right inside another. Let's say when you twist something like the nest made by a bed is input of something right into another, and then the nest is created. In that same way, you can input an if statement right inside another if statement, and therefore you go ahead and create a condition that is so accurate. So the computer will always check the first statement and check the next if statement before executing the condition. Alright, so let's go ahead and start by creating a simple example of, let's say int x is equal to 10 plus semicolon, and int y is equal to 15 and plus semicolon. Go ahead and put a backward /n so that you can be able to move to the next line, and then you go ahead and create a simple if statement. Let's say if x is equal to 10. Alright, so if x is equal to 10, and if y is equivalent to 15. Alright, so remember this is equivalent to and not just equal, because it's not going to work out. Alright, so let's go ahead and put a statement of let's say out, and you go ahead and put this is a nested if statement. So this is a nested if statement. Go back here and put it back to D, and that is all. So go ahead and put end line and put a semicolon at end. So guys, you can see that. Go ahead and run these, and it's going to print out these on the console. Check it out. This is a nested if statement. We're in a case where this is not equal to 15, but let's say 20 is not going to print out R. Let's check it out, guys. Okay, can you see that nothing has been printed out? Because it doesn't meet that. Okay, so you can go here and say else. Let's go here and say else. Out. This condition is here. Well, put this out there. End line and put semicolon at the end, and then let's run this code and check it out. Okay, so that this condition is here. Because I know most people will like, oh wow, Kai, I need to put an else statement to show us how you can be able to make this. So you cannot join if else statement right inside the if statement in nested if statement. So I believe that is very simple, very straightforward, and the code is just better before you put this down on your own laptop, play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please don't fail to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video lecture.